These Cornish-made soaps are my absolute favourites. We've got lots of lovely scents. This one's got to be the best one for me anyway. This is rose, orange and patchouli. But there's vanilla, almond and cocoa butter, apricot, wild honey and thyme, organic rose and jojoba, and then that one is organic lavender and geranium. This one's a favourite actually. I think this is probably the best seller. This is citrus and sea salt, and then cinnamon and orange, a really festive scent there. And finally, in the soap range, there's the organic pink grapefruit and sweet orange soap. Then this one is the soap and shampoo bar, so really great when you're travelling. Lavender, aloe and lemon we've got on it. And they all come in these lovely little hand-sewn paper bags. So when you order a soap, you pop them in one of these and send them off. Another good thing to think about if you're buying soaps are the soap bags. So these linen soap bags are really great because you pop your soap in if you go to a hotel for a weekend, pop your soap inside and take it home with you. Highly absorbent and just a really great way for taking your soap